back from the gym, and now we're going to make our chia seed bird bowl pudding thing. I got this original recipe from Makeup by Shayla. She does hers a little differently, but mine is usually just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of shelled raw hemp hearts, some collagen powder, some stevia, and today we're making a chocolate peanut butter version, so some powdered peanut butter in there to give it a little bit more flavor. Here's me forgetting that the almond milk safety lid is still on and acting like it's yep, that's a good one, Kara, good job. So basically I just cover this in unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I just cover the top of it. It's not an exact measurement or anything like that. I just cover it and then mix it really well to make sure I don't need any more almond milk. And if I do ever add too much almond milk, I put almond butter in this anyway, so it thickens it up regardless. I have these fun containers that have a little insert in them, so this is what I do to bring this along with work, or with me to work. I put a serving of almond butter in this. I do weigh this part because it's easy to go overboard with the nuts and the almond butter and the cacao nibs. Now, you don't have to put cacao nibs in it, especially raw, unsweetened ones, because they are quite bitter, but I think it balances it out very, very nicely. I think I put like about a half a serving, almost a serving of pecans in there, and then a third of a serving of cacao nibs because no one needs 30 grams of cacao nibs. That's crazy. And then I just add a serving of blueberries, frozen blueberries. So by the time I'm at work, they are nice little cold bits of juiciness inside of the pudding. It's amazing. Definitely try it. What are you barking at? Is that all of them? Yep. Yep, that's all of them. Okay. I work pretty much in an industrial area. Like, it's right next to train tracks. There's oil people behind us. The village, the public works thing. The sanitation plant is actually behind us, and we're upwind from that sucker, and I've worked here for 3 years, okay? I can't smell it anymore, unless it's really bad. If it's really bad, then I can, but it's really gross that I can't smell it anymore. It's really gross. So, Blue! Oh, there you are! Hold on. You wanna? It was not a good throw. Yeah. Come on, get your frisbee. Get your frisbee. Come on, get your frisbee. What are you doing? Come on. Can't live without the frisbee. May I present to you the world's quickest and easiest keto breakfast. First things first, we are going to melt a teaspoon of ghee in a pan. If you don't like ghee or don't have it, you can use regular butter or coconut oil. Some turmeric, some garlic powder, and some onion powder, and I let those kind of toast up in the oil. Here is me doing things the long way when honestly I could just use a spoon to mix it all together. Then I just crack 2 whole eggs in the spice and ghee mixture and let it cook over easy. Then I just season it with some salt and some pepper and put the lid on it and check it every once in a while I finish up making my green tea for breakfast. And there you have it, ladies and gents. Half an avocado and 2 eggs. And it's the world's easiest keto breakfast. It's actually the world's easiest breakfast. And I believe it's under 300 calories. Hi. Hello. So my baby hairs are really bothering the shit out of me. All right. We're off. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. It's snowing outside. We're off to the store. We're going to Jewel. We're going to Trader Joe's. And I'm not happy about it. It snowed a lot last night. Yeah. It is 10:20 this early morning. It's not early. It's Sunday. It's February 18th? 17th? 17th? I had a breakfast burrito with an 8-net carb count tortilla, mostly because I need the fiber. I usually would just make eggs and bacon. Okay, I need my seat warmer. I'm a baby child. I don't like to eat a lot of processed things because when I eat a lot of processed convenience foods, I slip a lot. I love your stopping. It's so good. Like, I know you're the plow trunk, but like, come on, man. So for me, convenience foods kind of fuck me up and like trick my brain into thinking like, oh, you can handle this that came out of a package. Why don't you go for some Gardennos? You know, like, let's not. Oh, I'm going because it's snowy outside, so the laws don't exist. Good morning, everybody. So, my name is Kara, if you are new here. A lot of you will be. And I've decided to document I want to say, sorry, this smoothie is chunky. Not my fitness journey, but like, just like my health journey. I've been following a low carb, I don't want to say ketogenic because it is ketogenic, but 9 times out of 10 I never hit the fat that I need to hit. But I do follow a keto chart, you know, like I have a way of eating. So it is low carb, it is moderate protein, sometimes it's high protein, and it is fat. It is lots and lots of fat. And I've tried to do this a lot of times, but I'm gonna do this for real this time. I never officially start a video, I never officially end a video, so it just kind of is a long going process. I've been doing the ketogenic diet, or on and off on the ketogenic diet, for about 2 years now. I just want to document all of this. I find it really helpful to talk through things, and I talk a lot also. So, this is just a natural fit for me. So, that's what I wanted. I just wanted to share it because I think having as many perspectives as possible is a really important thing, because everybody's different. Everybody does different things. And if you haven't found something that works for you yet, learning more about what other people do will give you some sort of combination idea to get to have, like, that works with your body.